In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF files directly from Google Chrome. Whether you're working on important documents or simply catching up on some reading material, knowing how to download PDFs smoothly can save you time and hassle. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you're all set up to download PDF files with ease. To begin, open up Google Chrome. First, we need to access the Settings menu. Focus your attention on the top right corner of your browser window. There, you'll notice 3 vertically aligned dots. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click on those dots to open a drop-down menu where you can find a variety of options. Once the menu is open, look for the Settings option. It's usually located towards the bottom of that drop-down. Click on Settings to open a new tab within Chrome that will contain all your configuration options and personal customization settings. Now that you're in the Settings tab, direct your gaze to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a sidebar that organizes your settings into different categories. You want to find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is dedicated to keeping your browsing experience safe and your data secure. It's a critical area of the settings, as it controls how much and which information you wish to share over the web. After you've clicked on Privacy and Security, you'll be taken to a new page with several tiles and options. Among these, there's one labeled Site Settings. Go ahead and click on Site Settings. This area controls how different websites interact with your Chrome browser, setting permissions for everything from HTML5 to cookies. As you navigate through the Site Settings page, you'll need to scroll down a bit. You should find an option that reads Additional Content Settings. It's usually not immediately visible at the top, so don't worry if you have to scroll a fair bit to locate it. Click on it to reveal even more settings related to your web browsing. Within Additional Content Settings, you should see an option named PDF Documents. Click on PDF Documents to open up your options for managing how PDFs are handled by Chrome. Finally, you will see a toggle or switch control for downloading PDFs. This setting might be worded as Download PDFs or Download PDF Files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. To make sure you can download PDFs directly, you'll want to turn this option on. Once you've done this, anytime you click on a PDF link, it will start downloading directly to your computer instead of just opening in the browser. And just like that, you're all set to download PDF files directly from Google Chrome with minimal fuss. That's all there is to it. With this simple adjustment, you're now better equipped to handle PDFs in a way that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing.